There are places on Earth so remote, so deep, and so difficult to reach that humans know more about the surface of the moon than what lies beneath them. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. Yet despite all our technology, maps, satellites, and deep-sea exploration vehicles, most of it remains completely unexplored. Vast mountain ranges lie hidden beneath the waves. Ancient valleys stretch for hundreds of miles, and in some places, the seafloor contains formations so strange that even scientists struggle to explain them. But one discovery shocked researchers more than almost anything else, because buried deep beneath the ocean, they found something enormous, a structure unlike anything they expected, something so unusual that it immediately sparked theories about lost civilizations, forgotten history, and secrets hidden beneath the sea. The story began during a deep-sea mapping mission. Researchers were using advanced sonar equipment to scan sections of the ocean floor that had never been properly explored. The process seemed routine. The equipment sent sound waves into the darkness below. Those waves bounced off the seafloor and returned. Computers then converted the data into detailed maps. Most of the time, the results showed exactly what scientists expected: underwater mountains, volcanic ridges, rock formations. Nothing extraordinary. Then one day, the screens displayed something different. At first, the operators thought it was an equipment error. The image looked strange, almost impossible. The formation appeared unusually large, stretching across a significant section of the ocean floor. But what caught everyone's attention wasn't its size. It was its shape. Certain sections appeared remarkably straight, too straight. Some angles looked almost geometric, as though someone or something had designed them. The room fell silent. Researchers stared at the screens, trying to make sense of what they were seeing. Because nature rarely creates perfect lines. Nature creates chaos. Yet here was a formation showing patterns that seemed organized, intentional. The discovery quickly attracted attention. Additional scans were performed. The team wanted to rule out mistakes, faulty readings, software errors, equipment malfunctions. But every new scan revealed the same thing. The structure was real, and it was massive. Soon, experts from different fields became involved: geologists, oceanographers, archaeologists, engineers. Everyone wanted to understand what had been found. The first explanation seemed simple: a natural geological formation. After all, the Earth is capable of producing extraordinary shapes. Volcanic activity, tectonic movement, millions of years of pressure. These forces can create formations that sometimes appear artificial. But the more data researchers collected, the more questions emerged. Because several sections appeared unusually symmetrical, certain features seemed to repeat. Patterns appeared where randomness was expected, and that made the mystery much harder to dismiss. As news spread online, theories exploded. Some people believed the structure could be evidence of an ancient civilization, a civilization that existed long before recorded history, a civilization lost beneath rising sea levels thousands of years ago. Others pointed to legends, stories of vanished continents, forgotten kingdoms swallowed by the ocean, myths that had survived for centuries. Suddenly, those stories felt a little less impossible. Of course, scientists remain cautious. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and no one wanted to jump to conclusions. But curiosity grew. The only way to learn more was to go deeper. Researchers deployed remotely operated vehicles, machines capable of surviving pressures that would instantly crush a human being. These robotic explorers descended into darkness, past layers of cold water, past underwater cliffs, past regions where sunlight never reaches. Eventually, the cameras began transmitting images. The first footage was blurry. Sediment drifted through the water. Visibility was poor. But as the vehicle approached, something emerged from the darkness. Large stone-like formations, towering shapes, massive walls of rock. And for a brief moment, the footage looked almost unreal. The operators watched carefully, trying to determine whether what they were seeing was natural or something else. The deeper the investigation went, the stranger the mystery became. Because despite decades of ocean exploration, humanity has explored only a tiny fraction of the seafloor. Some experts estimate that more than 80% of the ocean remains unmapped in detail. Think about that. Entire landscapes, entire mountain ranges, entire ecosystems, still hidden, still waiting, and perhaps entire discoveries we haven't even imagined yet. That realization changed everything. Because suddenly the mystery wasn't just about one structure. It became a reminder how little we truly know about our own planet. The ocean has always hidden secrets. Shipwrecks, lost cities, ancient artifacts, creatures never seen before. Every year, researchers discover something new, something unexpected, something that changes our understanding of history. And that's what makes this mystery so fascinating. Maybe the structure is completely natural. Maybe millions of years of geological forces created something that only appears artificial. But maybe, just maybe, the ocean is still hiding pieces of a story humanity has forgotten. A story buried beneath miles of water, waiting for someone brave enough and curious enough to uncover the truth.